Got this Coffin Shorty. I noticed when I got it that the paint was very thin on it, so I repainted it with high temper strength. And this, of course, is my second exhaust on the bike. It's nice. It was better than the stock, shorter, it looked better. But I'm going to go to the other one, get a little more power out of her. So I'm going to turn it on, let you hear. Put this on, what it's like here. First things first, I'm gonna take these springs off. Which were a booger to get on too, by the way. I'm gonna take a 12mm. Take this off. Once it loosens, it should come right off. I put it on there pretty tight. I don't like that. It's kind of hard to get in on this. Should slide right off. New Coffin. It's nice and short. You can see inside there. Then I painted the whatever the hell they call that. So I'm going to put that on there like that. And this slides right over. Should anyway. Size fits that. Nope. I think it's a 11. Yeah, it's 11mm. So it's on. Let's hear what it sounds like. Again, I don't know if this is straight legal or not, but this is only a 500 board out to a 600, so. Holy smoke, man. That sounds good, bro. GoPro, stop recording.